So Ian just passed. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. We had wind all night. There's minor damage here. They lost their shed, flags, kind of wrecked, their fence, whatever they had over there. Got a fence down over here. Another one over here. I don't know how this mango survived. These geniuses put their trampoline on the ground, dropped it, and they didn't take the net off. And they got their little playground here, their swing set, and of course the trampoline's broken now and into their house. And I don't know how this thing is not full of water. It does drain down to a couple more that are lower, but yeah, I've just lost my jacket too. My zipper broke, but my other neighbor's house. But we got no damage that I can see on ours. These are the only plants I left. I brought most of them inside. And that's my new blackberry there under the mason jar. That seems to have worked. My other stuff's looking a little ugly. I think my passion fruit and bell peppers might survive. It's been raining leaves though. Looks like another fence down over here. It's just minor damage. Nothing big. Oh, their roof doesn't look so good. But it's died down a lot. The wind was a lot worse a few hours ago. Probably 90 to 100 mile an hour gust at that time. And now maybe 60. This flag's still up over there. Here comes the big one. Looks like they had a swing over there. They got the rope still and no swing.